The destination defines the journey.
Every can begins far from the factory, where raw energy is still rooted in the earth.
Precision harvesting ensures purity before processing ever begins. Only the highest grade raw materials move forward. Clean water forms the backbone of every formula.
Purity is protected from the very first drop.
Raw sweetness is sealed for its journey. Each ingredient waits its turn, measured and protected.
Now, the raw elements move toward transformation. Distance disappears when logistics move with precision.
Even in motion, purity remains controlled.
Transcription. Energy begins as sweetness in motion.
Concentration travels protected, never exposed.
The destination defines the journey.
Control begins before entry is granted.
Every path here is engineered.
Timing and alignment prevent waste.
Nothing moves until everything is secure. This is where raw inputs meet controlled creation. Behind these walls, precision replaces chaos. Every ingredient enters through a dedicated path.
Clean hands protect billions of cans.
Flow defines the factory's rhythm.
Every movement is seen before it happens.
Water is refined until nothing unnecessary remains.
Sweetness waits under strict control.
Energy is measured in milligrams, not guesses. Separate paths now become one. The heart of transformation is about to begin. This is where balance is engineered.
Purified water sets the foundation.
Sweetness dissolves into structure. Energy is added with scientific restraint. Supporting elements complete the formula. Consistency demands thermal discipline. Uniformity is not optional.
Chemical balance protects flavor and safety.
Approval moves the process forward.
The base is complete. Transformation continues.
This is where still liquid becomes alive.
Energy takes its effervescent form.
Every bubble is measured.
Stability ensures consistency.
Containers must be as pure as their contents.
Precision prevents loss. Nothing escapes its inspection. Each seal locks in energy. Strength is verified, not assumed. From here, machines take over. Automation thrives on order. Speed meets accuracy without fatigue. Machines see what humans might miss. Imperfection never proceeds. Cleanliness continues beyond filling.
Traceability is built into every unit.
Consistency is confirmed gram by gram. Complexity simplified through design. Flow never stops, it adapts.
Before release, science has the final word.
Nothing ships without proof. Sampling protects the whole.
The exterior tells a story. Aroma reveals freshness instantly.
Science confirms the formula. Every bubble must comply.
Safety is tested beyond sight.
Only approval allows progress. Containment protects integrity. Containment protects integrity. The product earns its exit. Individual units become market-ready form. Protection is sealed in seconds. Volume meets velocity. Machines build perfect loads every time. Stability ensures safe travel. This is stored energy, waiting. Every move is calculated.
Distribution begins here.
And this is how modern factories produce Red Bull from start to finish.
Subscribe Never Seen Factory for more real factory breakdowns.